Hello again everybody, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech and I'm here for another lesson with you. I believe this is about lesson number 30, I've lost count. But anyway, today, if you can remember back a couple of lessons ago, we discussed the major intervals in the major scale. So what I'm going to do today is fill in the gaps, because there are also minor intervals. There are a few that we didn't cover. So I'm going to go over all of the intervals today in a full chromatic scale. So a chromatic scale just means that we go from one note to the same note, one octave higher, but we don't miss any notes out. Because in the actual Western scale we have 12 notes. But in a major scale or a minor scale, we only have 7 notes. So we've covered 7 of the intervals. So today we're going to look at the other 5. So a chromatic scale would just be walking up fret by fret from the open string to the 12th fret. So that's all a chromatic scale means. It means we play all of the notes, we don't miss anything out. So let's zoom in a little bit and let's have a look at these intervals that we didn't cover the last time. Just to recap, the intervals we did last time were the major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth and major seventh, which along with the root and the octave make up a major scale. So we've got root, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh and the octave. So there are 5 intervals that are missing there because the actual full scale is 12 notes. So if we play chromatically from C to C, we get So the intervals that we didn't cover are the minor second, which would be just a move of 1 fret, so from C to C sharp or D flat. That's the minor second. We've already done the major second. Then the minor third would be a walk up of 3 frets. So from C to this D sharp or E flat, that's a minor third. Well, we can play it on the next string down there, 2 frets down. Then we did the major third and the perfect fourth. So now we've got the sharp 4 or flat 5, which is here. So this F sharp or G flat, that would be the sharp 4 or the flat 5. Then we did the perfect 5. Now we've got the minor 6, which is this G sharp or A flat, which we could play there, 2 strings down and 2 frets down. So that's the minor 6th. We did the major 6th. Now we've got the minor 7th, which would be this A sharp or B flat. So we could play that 2 strings down in the same fret. And then the major 7 we've already done. So all of those intervals from the C, we've got minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect 4, sharp 4, perfect 5, minor 6, major 6, minor 7th, and major 7th. And then we're back at the octave. Now there are some little tricks you can use to help you to remember what these intervals sound like. For example, the minor second, you could think of the theme from Jaws, like the major second, you could think of something like Happy Birthday. So the major second would come on birth, happy birth, happy birth. That would help you to remember that major second interval. So what I suggest you do is have a listen to some songs, or nursery rhymes are very good as well, children's nursery rhymes. Have a listen to some of these songs and nursery rhymes and see if you can pick out by ear these intervals. So we've got the theme from Jaws, a minor second, Happy Birthday, a major second, so see what you can come up with on your own, because this is really great ear training and it helps your ear develop so that you can recognise these different intervals. So have a go at that and see how you get on. But that's all of the intervals in the Western chromatic scale. So I'll just go over them quickly once again. So we've got root, then we've got the minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect 4, sharp 4 or the flat 5, perfect 5, minor 6, major 6, minor 7th, major 7th, and then the octave. So that's the lesson for today, guys. We've now covered all of the intervals in that 12-note chromatic scale. Have a go with these songs and nursery rhymes. Have a listen to some popular tunes and melodies and see if you can recognise those different intervals, because this will help your ear to develop enormously. Also, play them on the guitar. Play a root note, for example a C, doesn't matter which note, but let's say it's a C, and then try to hum or sing a perfect 4th above that C, or a minor 3rd above that C, or a major sixth above that C, and then check yourself by playing it on the guitar to see if you've got the right note. This will help you to develop your inner musical ear, and it's very, very good training for the ear. So have a go at that. That's all for the lesson today. Please do subscribe and click the little bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye for now.